Now that your big green egg is unpacked, let's make sure it is placed properly. You will want to place your egg on your deck, a big green egg table, or in an egg nest. If you're going to use your big green egg on a concrete or stone surface, make sure it is placed on a smooth and stable area where the egg will not wobble or rock back and forth, and place the supplied ceramic feet evenly underneath. If you're going to use the big green egg on a wooden deck, place a flat stepping stone or bricks under the egg to prevent scorching the wood. Also use a stepping stone if you place the egg into a big green egg table. This will also prevent scorching the table. You can also place the big green egg in the optional egg nest. An egg nest brings the working level up to about waist height, and since it has wheels, moving the egg is very easy. Remember to always roll the egg by pulling it, never push it. Moving it this way will give you more control when rolling over uneven surfaces.